Hey guys, it's Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and here I am in the great outdoors to tell you all about the Jungle Hammock by SnugPak. The Jungle Hammock is great for when you need protection against biting insects, but you don't want to have to haul a tent around. And it's a lot less effort to put up. It has all of the added benefits of SnugPak's tropical hammock, but with a mosquito net built in. It's strong, it's reliable, it's simple, and it's affordable, and these are all things that you want to take with you when you're going into the outdoors. The hammock itself is manufactured from parachute nylon material. This makes it super strong, but super lightweight. As you'll see when I show you how to set the hammock up, it comes with a total suspension attachment system. So that's 4 guy ropes and 2 steel carabiners. Its user weight maxes out at approximately 400 pounds, and it's 275 centimeters long to accommodate even the tallest campers. It's extremely durable, so you can use it all year long. Let's get to showing you how to set it up. So this is one of my guy ropes, and as you can see, I've already taken initiative in tying it around my post. Now I'm going to pick up one side of my hammock with the black steel carabiner, and you're just going to attach it to the loop of the guy rope here. It's already set up on this side as well. So we'll take our carabiner and clip it to this one next. Now that we have both sides hooked up, we can continue by lifting up our mosquito net mesh so that it's not just sitting on you when you're laying inside. So it has the loopholes here that you're going to pull through one of the guy ropes, and you can help yourself out by just pulling it along. And then you just tie a knot to the other end. And now we have it up and ready to go. Once that's up there, you can unzip it. And you're ready to climb in for a good night's sleep. Wow, this mosquito netting is spacious. It's even got an electronics pouch for me to store anything I need, like my phone or an iPod. And after I unzip, there's an outer pouch for me to store my diary. Dear diary. Just kidding. It's easy to get out of. And while the mosquito netting provides protection through the night, during the day, you can take it down, flip it over, and have just a regular hammock to hang out in the sun. It comes in this compact case that has strong and high quality stitching, so you know it's going to last forever. And we even tested it out. It goes back in with ease, unlike a lot of the products that you see these days. For more information on this product, its brand, or any of our other items, please don't hesitate to visit our website. That would be at www.lockharttactical.com. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Ow! Okay, I'm using this thing right now. I've had enough of these bugs. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical. Over and out.